Hey guys, welcome back. It's in business as usual with me, Cynthia. If you are new here, kindly like, subscribe and click on the bell. Here I mainly talk about business, and today we are talking about cryptocurrency. I'm sure by now you've heard about cryptocurrency. Since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009, crypto trading has become one of the best online side hustles in Kenya. Cryptocurrencies are encrypted digital coins that are not controlled by any bank. You can generate income from cryptocurrency by buying and selling them on exchange such as paxful.com. Many people trade cryptocurrencies because it's fast, flexible and profitable. Cryptos also offer high payouts than forex trading. A smartphone or a computer with an internet access is all you need to start trading. You need to have knowledge of the crypto market and a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies and of course good trading skills. To get started, do some more research on crypto trading if you are completely green and you have no idea how it works. Then sign up for free on a crypto trading platform in Kenya. Start buying cryptos like bitcoins when the price is low and sell when high. It's somehow like when trading forex or trading stocks. Your earning potential depends on how much money you have to invest and the volume of cryptos that you are trading in. Cryptocurrencies have different prices and earning potential for each will vary. It also depends on your trading skills and market condition. Even with continued prophecies of a possible crypto crash, cryptocurrencies are probably here to stay, so you can go and try your luck. Cheers and thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Bye.